What's going on, you guys? I'm going to show you guys how to weld text here in about a minute with the WeCreat Make It. We're going to create two different text lines here. We're going to just use the default font here, but you can use any font or format text that you want. You just highlight them both, make sure they're overlapping where you want them to overlap, come up to merge, click merge graphic shapes, and they are now one unit right where they were overlapped at. You can cut this, engrave this, do anything you want with it. This also applies for shapes. So let's say you do a rectangle and a circle. You can highlight both of them, come up to merge, click merge graphics, and you're good to go. That's how you do it in this current version that you see down here of the Make It application. I'm going to be doing more videos like this that are super fast and to the point to get you guys up and running with the questions that you ask most often. If you're not a member of our WeCreat users group, I'll put a link down to that below. And if you want to save some money off of laser engraving blanks, we also have our new laser engraving deals Facebook page. And I'll put links to all of our groups down below so you can join those. Other than that, if you guys have questions, let me know down in the comments below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.